Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. So I'm a legging lover, okay? But if you know from wearing leggings, they are not all created equal. Well, these leggings from the Gym People are my absolute new favorite. They're very soft and comfortable. Some leggings feel restrictive. I mean, I know they're supposed to be a fitted pant, but some just feel suffocating. These do not, and they have great tummy control. I've had 2 kids. I really appreciate tummy control. Another thing I love is that these have pockets for your phone. When I work out, that is something I always look for in leggings because I don't work out without listening to music. So I need my phone close by so I can have my apps open and listening to either a podcast or music all the time. I think these are a great thickness. They don't feel chintzy, but they're not so thick that they're suffocating either when you're working out. These are absolutely perfect leggings, in my opinion, for working out, or let's be honest, we all know we wear leggings around the house because they're super comfortable. So if you're just not sure, if you're on the fence, these definitely have my seal of approval. I want to get one in every single color, but that's just my point of view.